Kasama yan sa pag-uusapan namin with Meta. We'll have a thorough conversation. We'll consider that. Tama yun. Kasi yung mga, kagaya nung, I was watching the news, ang sinasabi, yung roadblocks, meron din namang life lesson na maganda. Pero merong side na yun talaga yung pangit. Baka dapat parang yung may MTRCB, may censorship tayo on those aspects. And yun nga, I heard that one European country, 16 years old below, minumove nila na hindi na makagamit ng social media muna.
Yung violence na pinapagawa, parang part ng initiation.
Exactly. Yung initiation, parang you will be promoted. You will be promoted. Merong pang tinuturo na meron silang tenets, may parang Bible sila na pag nagawa mo to, mapupromote ka, may group kang inaalagaan. Pag nagawa mo naman to, ang thinking, if this is doon sa group na to, itong sa Zamboanga, I'm not saying ito, pagkatapos mong gawin yung task na yun at pinatay mo yung sarili mo, you will be elevated to sainthoods. Something like that.
Matagal na po ito.
Yung mga tasks. So,
Iba-iba. Marami. Nakita namin doon sa group, may ng bomb making, nagtuturo ng kung ano-ano na puro illegal na mga bagay.
Matagal na po kayo.
Hindi namin nakita pa kung gaano katagal. Kasi nag-collapse nga yung group. So we're trying to look and locate kung anong group pa ulit. We are informally, hindi pa formally established the interagency, but we are helping, we are in coordination with CICC and DICT, and this Office of the President as well, and the Office of the Speaker.